Hello students, today we will learn more about bowling. So there may be different kinds of balls like outswing, inswing and Yorker, full tosses. So in this one we will see first outswing. Overall a swinger is a fast ball that takes a swing in the air and it may be outswing or inswing. So basically outswing is a ball that goes away from the batsman. That means for a right-handed batsman it will go from leg stump to off stump or towards off stump or away from it. This is called an outswing ball. And to ball this kind of delivery, one should hold the ball with the first and second fingers on one side of the seam at the top of the ball and thumb on the lower part of the seam. That means with only three fingers, the ball should be held and the seam direction should point towards third man. In order to deliver a perfect outswinger, the run up to the wicket should be straight, smooth, and rhythmic. And for delivering such a ball, the body should be turned to the right for a right handed batsman so that his left shoulder faces the batsman. Again, the right foot of the bowler, that means back foot, should be parallel to the bowling crease and his left arm thrown up, and the bowler should look towards the batsman from above his left shoulder. And the ball should be delivered with a straight arm by turning the body towards the left and transferring the weight from right to the left foot so that a thrust towards off stump can be created at the time of delivery. And the toe of the left foot at the time of delivery should point towards the fine leg side. So these are the techniques of bowling an outswinger. Now let's see in swing. So a ball that is bowled towards the off stump of a batsman but moves in the air during delivery towards the leg side before pitching is called an in swing. And the grip of the ball for an in swinger is similar to an outswing ball, but the difference is that the seam should be held in the direction of fine leg instead of third man. So that is the difference. Let's see Yorker. Yorker is a ball which is pitched near batsman's crease. This is one of the most dangerous balls in the game. The reason is it can go through the gap between bat and pitch towards stump. So it is a very dangerous ball. And batsman has only two options if a Yorker ball is step onto the front foot and attempt to hit the ball just before it hits the ground or the pitch. That means taking the ball on full toss or step back and immediately bring his bat down so that he can defend the ball and he can stop the ball from going towards wickets. So this is very dangerous ball and anyhow the batsman has to defend, but sometimes it can also go for a 4 or a 6 if not bowled perfectly. Again, let's see the next type, which is full toss. Full toss means a ball which does not touch the pitch before hitting the bat. That means it directly hits the bat after being delivered from the bowler's hand. This kind of ball is generally not bowled by the bowlers intentionally because most of the time runs can be scored on full toss balls. So, but sometimes it is effective also to prevent a batsman from hitting six, or a lower full toss is very difficult to hit for a boundary, and sometimes wickets can be obtained on these kind of balls. But generally, when the attempted Yorker is overpitched or ball slips out of fingers of the bowler, then these kind of balls are delivered. So these were the types of balls. So next day we will see the next topic, wicket keeping. Thank you very much.